How to download the Boo Dating app on your Android device. So first go ahead and open the Play Store. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, many options will pop up on your screen. Simply tap on the search bar on the top of your screen, then type in Boo Dating app. Then you'll see an app which is launched by the Boo Enterprises Incorporation, which has 10 million plus downloads. Simply tap on the install button. Then after a few moments, the Boo Dating app will be installed on your phone and you can chat, post your photos and videos, and have a fun time on this app. But make sure you're over the age of 18 or else you're not allowed to use this app. So thank you so much for watching. In this video, you guys know how to download the Boo Dating app. Like, share and subscribe if this video helped you, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.